Coach Julio. I'm going to show you a couple of more exercises using slides. And again, if you don't have these slides, you can use towels. So right now I'm going to show you a very hardcore, no pun intended, core exercise. It's a plank saw, S-A-W. Let me show you the setup. Nice plank variation for the plank nation. So here's my basic plank. My body slides back and then I stop here. Inhale as I slide back, then I stop. What you don't want to do is have your shoulders past your elbows, but you can go as far back as you want. Hopefully you got that. All right, so once again, you're like, Julio, I don't have those slides. How can I get that done? Well, grab your towels. Make sure you tell your parents if you're grabbing the towels, or your partner. That was a joke. So here's the same setup. Slide back, pull up. I can go back more, and boom. Keep your navel drawn in. If your hips drop, stop the exercise and practice good form.